Tall pieces of furniture like this bookcase have become extremely popular because they take up very little floor space and yet they provide plenty of storage. The problem is they tend to be a bit top heavy and it can topple over and hurt someone. My kids were younger, they were like monkeys and they climbed on everything, and a piece like this could be a danger. So your first instinct might be to simply screw it to the wall by going through the back, but cabinets like this typically have about a 1/4-inch plywood back, which is not sufficient enough. You could still just pull it over and rip the back right off. So what I suggest is you get a couple of metal angle irons like this, these little brackets, and tip the piece forward and screw it down into the top of the cabinet, and then simply use a nice long screw and drive it through the top of the bracket and right into the wall. Now you want to try to catch a wall stud for the strongest hold, but if you don't, then use a toggle type fastener. And we can put one more in and then add another bracket on the other side. You have no fear of a piece like this toppling over and injuring someone.